Temperature. My goal is to see how warm it gets in 10 minutes by Dale. I think that it would be a -3 C, but it was only 1. Materials. 1. Thermometer. 2. Data sheet. 3. Pencil. 4. Cup. 5. Water. Procedures. Steps needed in this lab. 1. Put ice into the cup. 2. Then put the thermometer in the cup. Data. The ice cubes melted and the mercury in the thermometer went down slowly. Conclusion. In this lab, I learned that ice cubes melt faster than you think and that this was kind of hard. Opinion. My opinion is that this was a blast to do. It was fun meeting you guys. The end. Please subscribe.